So do you guys want to know how I turned $7 into over $20,000 of affiliate profit? And get this, without using any advertising at all. Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I did in my affiliate marketing business. I'm going to try to reveal everything that I did, guys, my opt-in page, my emails, my traffic sources. I'm literally going to show you everything that I did. Super excited, guys. If you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and on this channel I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing, but I teach people how to start a YouTube channel, how to grow their online business, and of course how to do affiliate marketing. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. Really excited about this, but let me just show you real quick which program. Now before I show you, actually I do have over 15 income streams at the moment. I actually posted a video I think it was a few weeks ago. You can see here my 13 passive income streams that pay me over 5 figures per month. This is just one of the income streams, guys. This is one of my main programs that I promote, but I'm just going to explain here. So the program that we're going to be talking about is a program I promote called Legendary Marketer, okay? And recently I just passed over $20,000. I haven't even been in this program 9 months right now. So I've been doing pretty well with it. Obviously, I want to scale to, 6 figures and 7 figures with this program by itself, not including the other programs that I promote, the other tools and software. But basically, guys, if you don't know what this program is, I'm just going to talk about what the program is and how I turned $7 into over $20,000 in profit, okay? And I'm going to show you exactly what I did, okay? So if you're not familiar with this program, it's basically the main offer is a $7 challenge, okay? And it basically teaches people how to start a business online. You can see it's 15 days. They get a call with an advisor, and it teaches them how to build a business online, okay? And from here, they can choose to, get higher mentorship, the higher programs, and that's the higher ticket, profit that I'm seeing. That's how I'm making over the $20,000, not with the $7 product itself. Okay, now I'm going to talk about the program here in a little bit, but let me show you what I did in the traffic sources, the emails, everything I did that helped me go over $20,000. And guys, like I said, this is something I did all organic, no ads at all. Okay, so if we go to let's just start with the actual funnel itself. Okay, so I'm going to go to the actual funnel. I'm going to explain kind of what I did in the funnel and kind of how, kind of the science behind what I'm doing here, okay? So this is called the opt-in page, guys. So what I'm doing here is, this is basically, I have a main headline saying, learn exactly how I built a $10,000 per month business selling other people's stuff, okay? So this is super simple, guys. It's got a picture of me. And then, I'm getting people from YouTube to this page, okay? Now from this page, okay, this is kind of where I do things differently, okay? So they enter their email here. Obviously, I'm trying to grab an email. But after this page, this is something called a bridge page, okay? So from here, guys, I'm explaining to them what the opportunity is. So I tell them what the 15-day challenge is about. I tell them, how it helped me in my life, how it helped me quit my 9-to-5 job, helped me, leave my electrical engineering job to do affiliate marketing. I literally just tell my story, guys. It's only a 2-minute video, but this is key because what happens is, if you're an affiliate marketer, a lot of people will go straight to the product, and sometimes that confuses people because you're going, from a product, you're going straight to a product that they have no idea what it is, right? But what I'm doing here is I'm transitioning to the product that I'm trying to sell, okay? So you can see here, this is called a bridge page video, and this is very important. This is, I think, why I've gotten a ton of sales in just a very short amount of time. And of course, a lot of these sales are actually 100% of these sales are 100% free, okay? But anyways, this is kind of the funnel I'm using here, okay? And then if they don't even watch the video, there's a text about it, basically explaining what the opportunity is, okay? So after this, they go to the actual sales page where then this video talks about the program itself, okay? Now, I do want to explain this, guys. This is all custom, okay? So this program, Legendary Marketer, they have a funnel for you, which I see a lot of people using, but it's not as effective as what I did here, okay? This is basically a custom funnel I made so I can basically, control every aspect of as people are going through it, okay? So at the end of this video, guys, I'm going to give you an opportunity to copy my funnel. So stick to the end. I'm going to talk about that here in a little bit, okay? All right, so now let's talk about the actual traffic, okay? I'm going to show you guys the stats and kind of like why I'm getting a ton of sales, okay? So let's just talk about the traffic source first. So you can see here that I've only been tracking this since October, okay? So in October, I was getting about 56 users. Let's go monthly here. I'm going to go to monthly here. And I just want to talk about the traffic source here, okay? So September, I was getting nothing. October, I was getting about 500 users for that month. November, 648 users. December, over 1,000. Another over 1,000 here. Over 1,000 in February. In March, it spiked to a little over 1,100. And then in April, I spiked to almost 4,000 users per month, okay? So, guys, I want you to understand, okay, that okay, I'm just going to go to social here, okay? Because a lot of, like 99% of my traffic is coming from social, okay? So you can see here, okay? Obviously, most of it's coming from YouTube, okay? Like over 3,000 visits are coming from YouTube. I have some Facebook. I do have Pinterest traffic. A little bit of Instagram and then some Quora, okay? But I want you to understand, guys, what I'm doing is I'm creating content on YouTube and taking them to my affiliate offer, okay? Now, remember, my system in place is very strategic, okay? So I'm going to go back here, okay? So remember, they're watching my YouTube video, right? They know my face. They know who I am. They click the link below, right? I always say click the link in the description below if you want to learn how to make money online, if you want to start your online business. They see my face in this funnel, right? So they know right away that it's congruent. So it goes from my YouTube video to my opt-in page. Everything's congruent here. And from here, it's still congruent right here, okay? What I think a lot of people do wrong is they go from the opt-in page to the actual offer, okay? I don't do that. What I do is I go to the bridge page where then I explain what the offer is, okay? And I think this is going to be a huge difference here, okay? Now from here, like I said, they go to the actual offer. This is all custom. You can see here, this is all custom to what I'm selling. This is still the sales page inside my domain, right? This is not the offer inside a Legendary Marketer, okay? That's what I want you guys to understand. This is all custom. I made this myself, okay? And what I'm trying to say is, since they're coming from YouTube, from Facebook, from Pinterest, they already know who I am, right? So what I'm doing is I'm being very congruent on the type of funnel I'm having them go through, okay? Everything, is my face, my video, and explaining why they should buy this offer, okay? So I want you guys to understand that now, okay? Also, guys, I'm doing the same thing. You can see here, you can see, let me go back real quick. But yeah, you can see over 4,500 users just social, okay? So that's a lot of traffic, okay? I'm going to show you some more stats here in a little bit because I want to be 100% transparent with what I'm showing you here, okay? Also, guys, you can see I just started tracking TikTok traffic. You can see over 2,600 visits just in April, which is just insane. Now, obviously, this traffic is not as powerful as YouTube. I still see better conversions from YouTube, but at the same time, TikTok's sending me a lot of traffic. I'm building my list that way, okay? Now, when I build my list, okay, I want you guys to understand that's the most important part about an affiliate marketing business is to build that list. Guys, a lot of people, what they do is they'll go from YouTube straight to the affiliate offer. If you're doing that, you're losing money. You're not going to build a long-term business. It's just not going to work, okay? So what I'm doing, guys, is I'm building a list, but I want you guys to understand what I'm doing here, okay? When they join my email list, okay, a lot of people don't buy till like 2-3 weeks, even a couple months down the road, guys. So a lot of these people that are joining my list won't buy right away. So you got to be able to follow up with these people. So you can see here, I have an email autoresponder of over 60 days, guys. 60 days of emails, and some of these days you have multiple emails within those days. This is just incredible because that's how you do passive income, right? You basically you get them on a list, you have free traffic coming in, you get them on your email list, and your email autoresponder follows up with those people. Now, what I want you guys to understand here, okay, and this is something that I teach my one-on-one students, the people I mentor, is my emails are also congruent with my story. A lot of people, what they'll do is they'll grab the emails from the affiliate network and they'll just throw those in there, okay? Remember, guys, as an affiliate marketer, you want to build your business. You want to build your brand. So right here, you can see I have a YouTube video of me. I have a YouTube video of me. You know, I'm going back to the offer and some of these. But what I want you guys to understand is they're getting familiar with my brand, my face, even though I'm doing affiliate marketing. So I'm doing affiliate marketing in a different way. A lot of people, what they'll do is they'll basically, you know, they'll go from their YouTube channel to the offer, and, you know, people will unsubscribe from their email list, and that's it, right? Or that, you know, they just send them offer, where they forget about who they actually came from, right? When people join my email list, and if you guys are on my email list, you guys will know, like 90% of the emails you get from me are going back to my YouTube channel, because I want to build that authority. I want to build that brand I want to build that relationship with you guys. I want to build the ones that, you know, if you're on my email list, I want to send you more videos. I want to send you, obviously, all my videos. I hope they're valuable to you. So that's why I send free stuff. I send you free videos on how to do this, on how to get traffic, on how to do YouTube, because I'm building my brand. Now, when people trust me, when I'm building that authority with my emails, like I'm going to go back here. I'm building that brand and authority. So, you know, they're like, well, why wouldn't I pay $7 to get in this program? I mean, he's obviously, congruent on like what he's speaking about. So why not? Right. So, you know, people end up buying with the $7, and from there they can buy the higher ticket products. And that's how I make money. Right. But guys, what I want you to understand is my process is a lot different from most people. Okay. Because what I'm doing here is I'm building the brand. I'm building my brand and building my authority. And then another email I have in here is people going back to my Facebook group. I'm nurturing those people. I'm trying to basically build a brand around me, even though I'm not selling my own products. I don't have my own books. I don't have anything of my own. Doesn't mean you can't build your own business, your own brand with affiliate marketing. Okay. So I want you guys to understand that. Okay. Another thing I want to show you guys is just the traffic, guys. A lot of people don't get sales because it's just a traffic problem, guys. I mean, that's honestly the main problem here. So you can see, I'm just going to go, I just want to be completely transparent with you guys. Just in April by itself, okay? Just in April. April's been one of my best months ever as far as like building my email list. I wouldn't say as much sales as before, just with this specific program itself. But you can see here, over 1,300 people entered my email list, okay? Just in April. Now, a lot of these people are going to start buying in May and in June because that's just how it works. I have an email autoresponder sequence that's going to follow up with them for months and months later, okay, for weeks and weeks later. But what I'm saying is people don't buy on the first go around. So a lot of these people that join my list in April, I'm going to see all that profit in the summer, guys. And that's what you guys need to understand is, as you're building this business, you gotta understand it's not a short-term play. You gotta build out your infrastructure for, you know, a couple months down the road. When people join my email list, okay, or when people join my email list, when they go through my systems, my autoresponder, my messenger bots, all this stuff, guys, is built. My infrastructure is built to basically work, you know, for months and months down the road. Okay. Now, I always tell my one-on-one students this. I always say, guys, if I were to send you a million visitors to your funnel right now, would you be ready for it? Would you actually be ready for it? Would you be confident, or would you say, wait, let's give me a few months and let me set up my infrastructure before I send you a million visitors? And 99% of the time they say, okay, my stuff isn't ready. Even for me, guys, I feel like my stuff is not 100% ready, but for the most part, I think I am, because like if I were to get a million visitors right now, I believe that my system would be able to handle it. As far as they would know who I am, they would go back to my YouTube videos, they would go into my Facebook group, blah, 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 right? So basically, you want to have a system that's ready to build your business, but at the same time have a ton of offers to make money on the back end, okay? So that's basically what I'm doing, guys. I hope that makes sense. And let me get back to the actual program itself. And I want to talk to you about how you can copy this custom funnel that I made, okay? So If I get over 50 people commenting, I want your funnel in the YouTube comments down below. I'm gonna figure out a way I can get you this funnel for you guys, because I want you guys to be able to use this. So if I get over 50 comments saying I want this funnel, something like that, then I'm gonna go ahead and make another video where I talk about how you can get this funnel. Okay, guys? So let me know down below if you guys are interested. If I get over 50 comments, guys, saying I want this funnel, this custom funnel that I made for this Legendary Marketer program, then you make sure to comment down below. Okay, now if you don't know what Legendary Marketer is, let me just explain what it is and why I promote it. Okay, because I only promote products I 100% believe in. Okay, so it's a program that teaches people how to start an online business from beginning to end. I love it. You know, this is when people always come to me now. They're like, you know, I want one-on-one mentoring with you. I have no idea what I'm doing. You know, and I always say, guys, like, I don't mentor people unless they're, you know, they've had some basic training. I don't do basic training mentoring. You know, I only work with people that have a business established and I want to take them to the next level. Okay, so what I always say is start with Legendary Marketer. They go through the basics of how to start your online business, how to set up your funnels, how to build your affiliate marketing business, you know, stuff like that, right? They go through the basics. So if you do want to learn how to start with Legendary Marketer, click the first link in the description below, guys. Like I said, it's $7. You're going to get on my email list. You're going to go through the challenge. You're going to get your own advisor, your own coach, and they're going to help you get started. Now, if you want to promote this product, it's a little harder to become an affiliate. So let me just explain what you do. You do have to go through the 15-day challenge. So click the link below if you do want to go through the challenge. It's $7. And then you can speak to your advisor about how you can become an affiliate. But you can't just become an affiliate with these guys. Another thing that's really cool, guys, is they have multiple streams of income. So let me just show you this real quick. So if I go to affiliates and I go to streams of income, so I actually get multiple streams of income. I get ClickFunnels. So, you know, when people go through Legendary, they actually let you use your own links. So I have my own ClickFunnels link in here. I have my GetResponse link. I have my Aweber. I promote GetResponse myself, but you know, what I'm saying is you can promote different things with inside of Legendary Marketer. So very, very cool, guys. As you can see, I've done over $20,000 in commissions, you know, with this program. So I just wanted to explain what I'm doing and kind of the science of, you know, how I structure my infrastructure. Actually, there's a method to my madness, guys. I mean, I definitely know I figured out kind of a different, I guess, a different way to do affiliate marketing than a lot of other people. And it seems to be working really, really well. So I hope this video was of value to you guys. And like I said, if you guys want the exact funnel that I'm using, just comment, I want your funnel below. And if I get over 50 comments, guys, I'm going to go ahead and make a video that's going to explain how you can get this funnel, okay? So anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value. Please subscribe to the channel. Tick the notification bell when I come out with new videos. I'm coming out with videos every single day. You can see this, guys, 9 hours ago, 1 day ago, 2 days ago, 3, 4, every single day. And not just like random videos. I throw good videos, okay? So subscribe, comment down below. I appreciate you guys. God bless, and we'll talk to you guys soon.